Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, February 11th, 2010. Today we had a total of 8 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 21 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, pre-market this morning after our news announcement, we had a quick run up and the market came back down through our moving average. It gave us an opportunity to get in the pre-gap trade, and that was good for targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks to the downside. And we traded on down and put in our Globex low right around 10.60.25. Basically traded a little sideways, came up to our open, and after our open we went down and tested that Globex low. Took a little bit of a bounce up towards our moving average and then continued to break on down through that Globex low. Put in a low right around 9.45 temporary, and then we came back up to our moving average, back up towards our opening price, and on that pullback we actually got a signal to get long. That produced targets 1. We did not get the follow through we were looking for, ended up getting stopped out of our second position there for a 2-tick loss as the market came down, and right after that stop out, sure enough, it went on up to hit our target. So we had some folks in the room that was able to take advantage of this price action down here at this Globex low and actually get back into the trade, and they were able to hold that for a nice profit. So congratulations to those folks. The market went up, closed the gap, basically started chopping a little bit sideways, and then we actually came back down through our moving average, got a signal to get short. Same thing here. This was a situation where we came within a tick or two of our profit objective. We did not get the full profit, ended up getting stopped out of that for a 2-tick loss. And then again, just to see the market going down, we actually got another signal to get short. Again, first contract off, 2-tick loss on that particular trade. But after all that madness and chop that was going on this morning, we actually had some announcements and things come out, started pushing the market higher. We got a signal to get long that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 9 ticks as the market just took off and really rallied on the European news announcement. And as the market kept trading higher all the way through the lunchtime dead zone, we do not take these trades between 11:30 a.m. and 1:15 p.m. That's what we call the dead zone, and that's due to increased volatility during the light volume. But as soon as we came out of that lunchtime dead zone, we actually had a signal to get long that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks on that particular trade. We went up and almost put our high in for the day, sold off, came down to actually a nice support area on our 5-minute chart that we keep an eye on. But there was a nice opportunity to get an early entry into that trade. But had you waited for our normal trading plan setup, we got a signal to get long. Again, targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks. Finally put in our high for the day right around 10.78 at the 2:30 reversal time. And you can see the market made a couple of oscillations, came down, gave us a signal short right before our 3 o'clock quitting time. Again, target 1 was hit, no follow through to the downside before the stop out, so that ended up being a 2-tick loss in that trade. So all in all, a pretty good day. We had a little bit of a chop zone this morning right after about 10 o'clock up till about 11:15. But that withstanding, we still had 8 trades for a total of 21 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room, our video newsletter, please visit us at eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.